Mabuhay, a pleasant evening to Miss Donor and also to everyone. Today, for the past performance number 3, we will be discussing about the two K-pop artists, which BTS member Taeyong and Blackpink member Jennie dating rumors. Next slide. Taeyong and Jennie confirm dating. The video asserts that the company has now made an official verification of the prior speculation, thereby confirming the rumors that had been circulating about the two artists. Next slide po. So we saw a video or article on TikTok saying that both artist agencies confirmed that the previous dating rumors about them was true. Now we're diving into a hot topic that has dominated K-pop headlines and social media: the persistent dating rumors about involving BTS member Taeyong and Blackpink member Jennie. Today, we're moving past the gossip and examining the available information to see what is fact, what is speculation, and how the agencies have responded. Next slide po.
Determine your audience. Who are the people most prone to fall this kind of disinformation content? BTS Kim Taeyong and Blackpink Jennie supposed relationship has already been disproven. I personally believe the duos most likely believe the fake news were the elderly and the ones who couldn't differentiate are real from a edit one. There also a possibility that delusional fans may have believed the issue, particularly those who have been active in shipping the two K-pop idols.
People who are most likely to believe the dating rumors about Kim Jennie and Kim Taeyong are usually casual K-pop fans or those who often trust what they see on social media. They might believe photos, videos, or posts online without checking if they are real. Some fans who already like the idea of Jennie and Taeyong being together, also called Taeyni shippers, may see the rumors as true because they want it to be. However, loyal fans of BTS and Blackpink often do not believe the rumors unless Jennie, Taeyong, or their companies confirm it. Next slide po.
Consider your audience in determining the format of your fact check. In the K-pop industry nowadays, some fans are knowledgeable and intelligent at making fake photos, videos, or articles. They can make things look so real that many people think that the fake news is real. Some might see a video with a fake company article and immediately believe it, especially if you are new in this kind of industry. Some don't know to check if the news is real because they are new to these kinds of situations.
So the easiest way to stop being fooled is to always check the official source. If you see an article about an artist, you must go to the company's real website or social media page to see if they actually posted it. If it's not there, the news is fake. This simple step of checking the official page is the best way for all fans to know what was real and what was edited. Next.
After checking online posts, photos, and videos, there has been no verified or official statement from Hype or YG Entertainment confirming the relationship. Most of the so-called evidence circulating online, such as photos and videos of people holding hands or wearing similar items, is either edited, taken out of context, or fan-made content. We can also see that many posts lack reliable sources, no links to official statement or news sites, and rely only on screenshot or reposted media. This makes the content misleading as it appears to be genuine but it's not supported by uncredible evidence. This rumors is unproven as there is no solid or official evidence confirming that, that the two idols are dating, and most of the materialistic circulating online and unverified or manipulated.
Basically, there is no real proof that the two idols are dating. Their companies, which Hy-Vee and YG Entertainment, have not said anything official. All the evidence you see online, like hand-holding photos or matching clothes, is mostly fake, edited, or just fan gossip. People, especially the fans of the artists, are posting things without links to official news or statements. It's just speculation until the companies actually confirm it. Next po. And here's our references for our topic. Next. Well, that brings us to the end of our presentation. Thank you so much for your time and effort for listening to us today. Once again, I encourage everyone to always seek verified information before drawing conclusions or sharing content online, especially when it concerns the private lives and reputations of individuals. Have a great day ahead of you all.